All right, guys, so the last 2 days we were talking about drawing angles and measuring angles using a protractor. Today I'm going to teach you how to find a missing angle. So it's important for you to know that your different angle measurements are going to help you to be able to do this. So let's start with this. We have a right angle. We know it's a right angle because it looks like it belongs as part of a square. But if I add another line to it, now I have two angles that the total is going to equal 90 degrees. I know that one angle is a measurement of 33 degrees, and we're going to call the other angle x. So to find out the measurement of angle x, I need to take 90 degrees, because that is the total measure of both angles combined, and I need to subtract 33 from this. I'm going to get 57. So I know that angle x is equal to 57 degrees, because if I add 57 plus 33, I'm going to get 90, and that's the total measure of a right angle. Now let's look at a straight angle. We know the measurement of a straight angle is 180 degrees. So if I add two other lines to this, I know that the total of all three of these angles is going to equal 180 degrees. So this, that's 1, 2, 3 angles, is going to equal 180 degrees. So I have one angle is 98 degrees, that's slightly obtuse, and I have another angle that is 23 degrees, and we're going to find out the measurement for angle Z. So there are two ways for you to solve this. The first way, I'm going to add 98 degrees plus 23 degrees to find out how many degrees I have altogether so far, and that is 121. Now we know that the total measurement of a straight angle is 180 degrees, so now I'm going to take what we have and I'm going to subtract it from 180 degrees, and that will give me the measurement of angle Z, which is going to be 59 degrees. Now there's another way you could do this. You could start with 180 degrees because that's the total measure of all three angles, and I can subtract each angle one at a time, and I will be left with angle Z. So first I'm going to subtract 98 degrees, so 180 minus 98 is going to equal 82. Now I take that 82 and I'm going to subtract 23 from it, and I'm going to get 59. So as you can see, I got the same answer for both of those ways. Either way works. Whatever way you feel more comfortable with is what you should do. And we have angle Z is equal to 59 degrees. I'm going to walk you through two more of these. First, we're going to find the value of angle Y. So I'm starting with a 180 degree angle that you can see right there. And I'm adding two more line segments to that to get 1, 2, 3 angles. We have angle Y there. We have 61 degrees for my second angle and 32 degrees for my third angle. So the first strategy that I'm going to do is I'm going to add the two angles that I know their measurements for. 61 plus 32 equals 93. Now, as you remember, a straight angle is a measurement of 180 degrees. So now I need to subtract 93 from 180, and I will get, my difference will be angle Y, 87 degrees. There's another way I could have worked through this. I know that my total angle measure for all three angles combined is 180 degrees because it's based off of a straight angle. Now I can subtract my other two angles one at a time, and what I will be left with will be the measurement for angle Y. So first I subtract 61, I do 180 minus 61, and I get 119 degrees. Now I take my other known angle, which is 32 degrees, and I subtract 119 minus 32, and I get 87. Again, I got the same answer for both of these problems. You can use either strategy to help. That says Y equals 87 degrees. The last one I'm going to show you, we are going to find the value of angle W. So we start with our first angle, which is 18 degrees, our second angle, which is 23 degrees, and angle W. Now, if you look at the outside of these angles, this looks like a right angle. So we know that our total angle measurement of all three angles combined is going to be 90 degrees. So the first way I'm going to do, I'm going to combine the two angles that I already know and see how many degrees we already have. So we do 18 plus 23, and we'll get 41. Now, since I know this is a right angle, the total angle measure for all three angles is going to be 90 degrees. So I subtract 41, and I will get 49. So we know that angle W is going to equal 49. Now again, the other way you can do this is doing two subtraction problems. So I'm going to work that out for you in the same way. We start with 90 degrees because that's the total angle measure. We subtract 18 and we get 72. And then we subtract 23 because that's our other unknown angle, and we will get 49. So we know that angle W is equal to 49. All right, guys, so the key to doing this is look at what is your main angle. Is it going to be a straight angle like this one or a right angle like this one? Then pick your strategy. Do you want to do an addition problem and then a subtraction problem, or would you like to do two subtraction problems? All right, guys, please reach out to me if you need any help, and I will be here to help you. Have a great day.